Imagine a world where you can earn a whopping $1,000 a day just by copy-pasting images. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your seats because I've discovered a revolutionary AI method that does exactly that. This is not your typical get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven done-for-you system that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to help you generate massive income effortlessly. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step tutorial. So be sure to pay close attention because I don't want you to miss a single money-making detail. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Go to restorephotos.io. Okay, so you're probably wondering how you're going to make this much money. Well, we're going to be using this tool called restorephotos.io. I came across this amazing website recently, and I have to say it's been a total game changer for me. I had so many old family photos that were faded and damaged over time, it was heartbreaking to see those precious memories slowly fading away. But thanks to this AI-powered photo restoration tool, I was able to bring them back to life. The process is incredibly simple. All you have to do is visit the website and upload your old photos. The powerful AI algorithms work their magic and restore your photos to their former glory. It's like a time machine that brings your memories back to life. What I love most about this website is that it's absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to spend a dime to restore your photos. I couldn't believe it at first, but it's true. They genuinely care about preserving memories and making this incredible technology accessible to everyone. And I'm not the only one who's fallen in love with this service. There are over 300,000 users worldwide who are raving about it. People from all over the world have experienced the joy of seeing their old photos come back to life. It's heartwarming to read their testimonials and see how much this tool means to them. So, if you have a pile of old photos gathering dust, don't let those memories fade away. Give them a new lease on life by using Restore Photos. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's an easy-to-use, free tool that will make you fall in love with your old photos all over again. And to make things even better, today I will be going through exactly how you can make money with this. Step 2. Try it out yourself and restore an old photo. Alright folks, let's get down to business. Now that you're on the website, it's time for some hands-on photo restoration. Get ready because this is where the real fun begins. Once you land on the website, you'll see a black button that says Restore Your Photos. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a new page where you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Don't worry, it's quick and safe. After signing in, get ready to witness the power of restoration. The best part? You can restore 5 photos per day for absolutely free. How awesome is that? It's like having your own personal photo restoration service at your fingertips. Now choose the photo you want to bring back to life. You've got 2 options. Click the Upload Image button and select the photo from your device, or simply drag and drop the photo onto the website. It's super easy, trust me. Now the wait begins. The website will work its magic to restore your photo. It might take a few moments, but hang in there, it'll be worth it. Once it's done, prepare to be blown away. You'll see a side-by-side comparison of the old photo and the restored photo. But hold on, we're not done yet. You're just one click away from making that restored photo truly yours. Click the Download Restored Photo button and boom! The photo is all yours to keep and treasure. Isn't it incredible how this website has made the restoration process so seamless and user-friendly? I personally love how straightforward it all is. Step 3. Start an Instagram page to post before and after photos. Alright, it's time to take your restored photos to the next level. Get ready to showcase your incredible before and after transformations on an Instagram page. Believe me, this step will boost your earnings and take your money-making game to new heights. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is create an Instagram account if you don't have one already. It's simple and free to set up, and trust me, Instagram is a goldmine for sharing visual content like your restored photos. Once you've got your account all set up, it's time to start posting those amazing before and after photos. Remember, the key here is to captivate your audience and showcase the power of the restoration tool you're using. Let them see the incredible transformations and get them excited about the possibilities. Now, when it comes to posting, make sure to share both the original photo and the restored version side by side. This way, your followers can truly appreciate the magic that happens through photo restoration. But don't stop there. Let your creative juices flow and add engaging captions to each post. Share the story behind each photo, the memories it holds, and how the restoration process made a difference. Be personal, authentic, and let your passion shine through your words. Trust me, people love a good story. To maximize your reach, use relevant hashtags in your captions. This will help your post get discovered by a wider audience who are interested in photo restoration and preserving memories. Some popular hashtags to consider are photo restoration, before and after, and nostalgia. Experiment and see which one works best for you. Now, here comes the fun part, engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, thank them for their support, and build connections. It's all about creating a community of photo enthusiasts who appreciate the power of restoration. Encourage them to share their own stories and photos too. Last but not least, remember to be consistent with your posting. Regularly share new before and after photos to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Quality content and dedication will help your Instagram page grow organically, attracting more followers and potential customers. Step 4. Add a call to action in your bio. Now, we're going to add a powerful call to action in your bio that will encourage people to buy your restoration service. The first thing you need to do is update your bio to include a persuasive call to action. This is where you get to show off your personality and convince people to take the next step. As always, be authentic, genuine, and let your passion for photo restoration shine through. Now, when you're crafting your call to action, make sure to highlight the benefits of your service. Let people know how you can transform their old and faded photos into vibrant, cherished memories. Emphasize the convenience and quality of your work. Remember, people are looking for a solution to their photo restoration needs, and you're here to provide it. For example, you could say something like, "Revive your precious memories with our expert photo restoration service. Transform your old photos into stunning masterpieces. Message us now to bring your memories back to life." Make sure to include a link in your bio that directs people to your website or a dedicated landing page where they can learn more about your service and make a purchase. This will make it easy for potential customers to take action and explore what you have to offer. But don't just stop at the call to action. Personalize your bio even further by sharing a bit about yourself and why you're so passionate about photo restoration. Let people connect with you on a deeper level. When they feel a genuine connection, they're more likely to trust your expertise and choose your service. Step 5. Fulfill any orders with Restore Photos. As your Instagram page gains traction and followers start flooding your inbox with orders, it's time to fulfill those requests like a pro. Luckily, we have Restore Photos by our side, making the process a breeze. Once you have the details of the restoration request, it's time to put Restore Photos to work. Visit the website and click on the Restore Your Photos button. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account to access the tools and services offered by Restore Photos. Trust me, it's a hassle-free process. Once you've uploaded the photo, Restore Photos will work its magic. It will apply its powerful AI algorithms to breathe new life into the image. When the restoration is complete, it's time to deliver the restored photo to your customer. Simply download the newly restored photo from Restore Photos by clicking the Download Restored Photo button. You can send it directly through to your client and voila! Easy cash in the bank. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content on making money online. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback down below. See you next time.